Gang beast, baby.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
me, you idiot.
I am a rhino.
I'm a pile of poop.
I'm a dinosaur.
Hey, are you?
We're beating up a very looking like a businessman.
What
Beat
is
that little
called?
boy. Beat that little boy. You guys are killing each other.
Let go of me, you fucking...
Oh, now we're beating each other up.
Yeah.
Wait, how do we grab them? We're the red gang. Cool.
We're gangsters. We're like red guys, but gangsters.
Okay, who knows? No, not me.
Ooh.
Aloe does. We got him.
Grab.
Why?
Did we win?
We won!
I'm back.
I'm not.
Doing him down with you.
Okay, now I'm dead.
This looks bad. Jay! Jay!
Not letting you get up.
The kind of stuff we needed.
Alright, boys. Let's handle these little children.
God, I have not played this in so long. How do you pick up again?
R1 and L1.
I know how to go.
Charge does know how to headbutt.
Did you die? Who's dead?
I'll drag you with me.
Me and Aloe.
Oh!
Knockout punch. I think try it. Lift them up.
Ah!
No, charge! Glory in battle.
Yeah, just think there's probably glory in somewhere. I did it!
Wrong body.
Jay, you have! No, let go of me!
We got
Hello!
Long live
Like king.
the charge. Charge!
Yes, I'm up!
Yay!
Did you
Jay!
make it? Jay!
Jay? Jay!
Oh wait, I am alive.
We got
No, Jay, get up!
I'm dead.
No, you're still there. I still see you. No, now you're dead.
I can't. It's dead at that time.
Yeah, now you are. Oh. Get rid of that guy. I got this.
Look at the core.
I've got this.
Grab the baby chop.
You know how we do it in this here? Get rid of the child.
Get rid of the evidence.
Eat 'em, Aloe. Join your dinosaur ancestors.
Let me up!
No, you're gonna die. I'm gonna watch you die. I wanna see you bleed.
Help me charge! Help me!
I don't know how do you go back? Oh, circle. That's how I would have been able to save you. You're back!
Oh, God.
How was the hospital?
It was bad.
Okay.
The doctors didn't know what was wrong.
Okay, I've got an idea.
There's big...
Oh my god, Jay! Jay, get up here!
I got at least one.
He did.
I made sure to take one down.
Oh, God, Jimmy hits hard.
Oh no, Jay was still alive.
Oh, I didn't even realize. It's too hard to see.
Okay, Aloe, we can't let a child beat us.
You gotta beat the children.
Whoa, what the heck?
What the
We
fuck?
got a demon child!
What the heck?
Beat the demon child!
Abuse the...
Oh my god, what the? This kid's got like superpowers.
Kid's got skill.
He's yours.
You have to make sure he's down.
He's still
alive. Charge, run. Grab the poles.
Grab your lightsaber.
Okay.
Whoa! You're back. Jay, you walk right out the door with them all. Okay, Jay.
Yes.
No, Jay's down.
Jay.
No! Hey, at least we killed him.
Hey.
Where are you, Jay? Are you still dead?
Yeah.
Over here, Ella. Yep, he's dead.
Yeah, of course I'm dead. There's Doctor.
I told him not to follow me here.
I got him.
I got him.
Let go.
Hey!
I'm helping.
I'm bringing him in. I'm gonna take him. I got one.
I was trying to get a lightsaber, a staff, or even a dinosaur.
I am a dinosaur.
I know.
Leave me, Judge. Don't leave me here.
I go for everyone. There's just cannon fire. Oh man, we got like a demon child.
Another one. Yeah. How can I?
Jay, jump! Jay, you want to join me in my shop? I got a cool shop going on in here.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to be a construction worker. Oh God, there's a big bilister.
Jay, don't die! Oh, that guy like.
I must.
Yes, I'll sacrifice your humanity to kill all.
Oh God, he one punches.
Poor Aloe.
Judge, I must leave you.
Okay. Holy crap!
Demon children are bad.
I will defeat them all.
You'll
I'll
take
take
them
them all.
all.